Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I realize I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately. I've been working on the new space coming up for the grand opening and open house. Let me give you a little quick background if you're not familiar and then catch you up with what has been going on. About 3 weeks ago, I had the opportunity to buy out an individual who was in a space adjacent to and connected to where I currently train, where I currently rent out a little bit of time. In buying him out, I bought his flooring, which was for gym, is for weightlifting. Actually, the floor was more like stall mats than good martial art mats. But it ensured that I got the space. It got some kicking bags and some mounts and things. So I've been doing little things, painting what I could paint. Now, when I purchased or bought that out, Bernardo, the guy who I currently rent space from, expressed an interest in that space. They are connected. The two spaces are connected. He liked that space better. To me, both spaces, the space that I technically bought out and the space I'm currently in, they're both within 10 square feet of the same size, connected to each other. The rent's the same. To me, it didn't matter. I just needed a space, or wanted a space. So I made a swap with Dan. Dan now has the new space, and I have, or will have, come April 1st, the existing space where I've currently been training. But I've been making a lot of changes. When it gets done, it will not look anything like what you've seen in prior videos. This past Saturday, I sold the flooring that I purchased and have ordered, and hopefully will be here tomorrow, 864 square feet of EVA 1-inch thick interlocking foam floor mats. That will not cover the entire floor, but I don't intend to cover the entire floor. I want to leave the space under the Mukyangjongs open, hard floor, and possibly under kicking bags. For the past 2 weeks, I've been doing what little things I could, doing some painting. I painted over the old chalkboard and put up a whiteboard. I prefer whiteboards. It's a personal preference of mine. So I put up a big whiteboard. On one wall, I moved a lot of conduit and plugged up a lot of holes and painted it, got it looking nice. And just recently hung a mount for 2 kicking bags, also serves as a good chin-up pull-up bar. So that's good. Yesterday I purchased some lumber. We're going to build 2 dressing rooms, about 36 square feet each, 6 by 6. I am not in the position to buy the wall material, the sheet material, for the dressing rooms by the grand opening. It's just a budgeting thing. But I'll at least be able to have the frame up so that during the grand opening on April 1st, people will be able to see where the dressing rooms are and the layout, and it'll be obvious that they definitely will be going in. No sense in building the frame if you're not going to eventually put up the walls. It's just a matter of budgeting. Supposedly today or tomorrow, a fellow's coming out to the main sign that's out on the main drag and putting in a sign that's going to lead toward our spaces. Dan and I we kind of think of this as a martial art co-op, since our 2 schools now will be interconnected. It's not me sharing his space, it's I have mine, he has his, but we're also sharing those spaces. During the hours that I don't want to teach, I have already rented out the school to a fellow by the name of Zachary Jenkins, calls himself Dark Horse, and teaches Pencak Silat. So that's great. So we're becoming a little martial art co-op. So that's where we are. Things are progressing well. If you happen to be in the Columbia, South Carolina area, come on out to see our grand opening, April 1st, grand opening / open house, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. One of the classes, the class that I'll be adding is a kickboxing class. Been working on a logo. I'll show you the logo here. Get your thoughts on it, whether you like it or, you either like it or you don't, or you have complaints with it, or let me know. It's still open to change. So that's where I am. Things are going well. I hope things are going well for you. Keep on training.